Deputy Commissioner Garibhai Arpit Upadhyaya unsapha yakakan hun Jingtohkit ban kli da Magister Garibhai bat kumju na kibreu jang katanat forest lingba ka office DFO Divisional Forest halor ka Kynrei ka Jingtih mau ti Shyiap Beain hakathan Jorabad bat Khanapara. UDC ula shim yak ni sinjam kalong hadin balayo yak jing ujor na kipat ba yak Jingtih pathar ka Kynrei hakatika Thain ki bahap hakabenta ka Meghalaya. UDC Garibhai ula yathu bakaladan ke jing ujor na ki babun balang halor ka ni ka kamti khando bat penmadan ya ki lom ki wa klam ka jingtip na jingyo jingbet na ki bor penyat district bat ka bor penyat district kelas dang Jingtohkit ya ka ni ka kam Beain tak ba Thung ya magister bala thauru ya ka wei ka committee ban penlong ya ka ni ka Jingtohkit.
Received a complaint that because of earth cutting there has been a deterioration in the air quality also. Earlier also we have received these complaints, and whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHADC also, they have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.